Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by importing both your green screen clip and the background image or video into Premiere Pro. Make a sequence that matches your green screen clip, settings so scale and frame stay accurate. Once done, place the green screen clip on V2 and the background on V1 so you can see the keyed result live. Make sure your subject is properly framed and that the green doesn't spill onto hair or reflective surfaces, because that affects the key quality later. You now apply the Ultra Key effect from the keying folder and sample the green with the eyedropper. Pick a mid-tone area not in shadow. Then adjust matte generation parameters like transparency and shadow to remove most of the green while preserving detail. Use matte cleanup sparingly to choke or soften edges if you see fringe. For a natural composite, reduce spill suppression until green tints disappear without darkening hair or clothing, and fine-tune highlight to restore skin tones. You finish by matching the subject to the background. Apply Lumetri color to adjust exposure, white balance, and contrast until they read as one shot. Add a small feather or drop shadow to ground the subject. Consider a touch of motion blur if movement looks stiff. Once satisfied, render and export with desired codec. If you still see edge jitter or green remnants, recheck your original lighting and consider drawing a garbage matte to isolate the subject before keying. This often
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.